Hey, what's going on, guys? So we have the second in a three-part series of Herr's flavored chips here. The next one for the Flavored by Philly contest is cheese ravioli and marinara. Now this sounds super interesting, and this is specifically from Toledo's. You can read their little story on here. If you haven't seen the first video, I'm at the new house. This is a temporary background. It's just a bookshelf and a table. This is not going to be like every video. I mean, who knows? Maybe I will make videos here. But there's many different places I'll bop around so you can have different views over time. But anyways, at the grocery store, they had 3 different flavors that sounded super unique. And this is one of them. So we're going to try them real quick. So cheese ravioli with marinara. So let's break it down, right? Obviously, the marinara flavor should be the most predominant, I would think. You can use a regular cheese flavored powder, I guess, for the chip itself, for that filling. And then the pasta is kind of an interesting flavor. I don't know if they would put pasta flavoring on a chip. Maybe just the potato itself would inherently be pasta-like. I don't really know. But I'm assuming it's going to have a little cheese, lots of marinara, or lots of tomato specifically. We'll find out in a second. All right, so it smells very tomatoey. And oh man, I opened the bag very poorly. That's unfortunate. All right. Well seasoned, totally covered chips here. Yeah, I mean that smells like tomato. But tomato and herbs specifically. I wouldn't say like marinara, but definitely like a tomato sauce. All right, bottoms up. I'm going to give this slow thumbs up. That's actually really, really good. What makes this so good, it's very, very flavorful, but it's also unique. Every time I try, like, you know, you see new chip flavors, and they just always sound so wonderful, and it's always a letdown. I should say almost always. You know, it's like, oh, Italian Hero, and it just barely tastes like anything at all. The first one I did in this little 3-part series was very underwhelming to me. This one is totally different. Not only do I taste an actual marinara, specifically a marinara flavor, but you can taste something in the background like maybe a ravioli. It's convincing. I actually do, anything that's remotely tomato flavored in chips, I do like quite a bit. I like ketchup chips. I've had tomato flavor before and other aspects like pizza flavored chips. The tomato really comes out as a strong, kind of a sweet tomatoey flavor, but these are actually phenomenal. Like, these are really, really good. I would absolutely buy these again. So let's try another one. Oh yeah. That tastes like a cheese ravioli with tomato sauce on it. So huge thumbs up for that. All right, Herr's, 1 out of 2. We're gonna do another one of these, and I'm saving the most interesting flavor for last. So stay tuned for that video. You'll see it soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. By the way, if you tried any of these, please post in the comments what you thought of it as well. It's interesting hearing other people's perspectives. There's certain things like this one I absolutely love, but you might try this and go, I don't like it. You know, who knows? But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.